Okay, this is Saen Higgins, and we're going to do take one on Japan. Hi, this is Saen Higgins, and I'm doing this blog from my office, actually my home office, so you'll see a lot of this, because when I have something to say, I'll just talk about it, and we've got a lot of things going on in the news right now. One of the things that I want to talk about is the markets. You know, tragically, I have said for 20 years, nothing can affect tax lien certificates. It doesn't matter what happens to the stock market, the bond market, who gets elected president, and you know, it's a great thing for the tax lien investor, as you know that your money is always secure. We had 9/11. The terrorist attacks on the United States, I mean, just crippled the financial markets for months. We had the meltdown in 2008 in October. I had students of mine that had transferred their money into their qualified retirement plan and were just thanking their lucky stars that they were invested in tax lien certificates. Now we've got the latest thing, which is the tsunami and earthquake in Japan. As tragic as that is, and by the way, I've got myself and a couple of my family members were going over there to do some volunteer work on building some houses in July coming up, which I'm excited about. But as tragic as that is, the markets immediately took a 6% dive over in Japan. Our markets followed shortly thereafter, and my tax lien certificates are earning 18%. And the point is, it doesn't matter what's happening out there in the marketplace, you're always locked in. I can't control what happens in an 8.9 magnitude earthquake in Japan and a soon-to-follow tsunami. I mean, just in Santa Cruz alone, if you saw some of the pictures there, and Carmichael, I think it was, but we're devastated too with some things. So there's a lot of things over there. What did that do to the markets? It killed them. You have no control over that. On Thursday night, you couldn't have said, you know, there's going to be a tsunami. But it didn't matter if you're buying tax lien certificates. You're safe, you're secure. It's been around for over 200 years. So when I say that it doesn't matter what happens in the marketplace, I mean that. It doesn't matter what happens in the marketplace. So this is Saen with my daily blog or weekly blog or whatever blog this is, and talking about tax lien certificates. Tax lien certificates, Saen Higgins, you know, it is truly wealth without risk. That's what this is. Anyways, have a good day.